Okay, so how many students in the class have two or more brothers and sisters? So we're looking at two and more. So that would be 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to add these together. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. I'm going to type the text and I'm going to say 17 students have two or more brothers and sisters. I'll click off and I'll drag it down to the answer key. Down here. Then Beth is making a bar graph to compare how many marbles of each color she has. She has 25 blue, 35 red, 5 green, 15 yellow. Which scale makes the most sense for Beth to use with her graph? So we have to figure out which one makes the most sense. We know that 1 times anything can get any of these numbers. So right now we're going to stick with 1. Now let's check the rest of the numbers. 2. Can I do 2 times anything to give 25? No, because 25 is an odd number and 2 is an even number, so I can't count by 2s to get to 25. So 2 does not work. Can I count by 5s to get to these numbers? So if I count by 5s, I can get to 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. If I count by 5, can I get to 35? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Yes. If I count by 5, I can definitely get to 5. And can I get to 15? 5, 10, 15. Yes. Now I'm going to count by 5s and see if I can get to 20. 5, 10. No. Sorry. Now we're going to use 20. Can we count by 20s to get to any of these numbers? So if I count by 20s, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Well, none of these numbers are those. 20, 40, 60, 80, or 100. We don't say any of these numbers when we're counting by 20s. So 20 doesn't work, and we're going to use the larger number, 5, so we're not going to use 1. So we're going to stick with C, 5. Then we're going to use this information right here to fill in the bar graph. So we know that we're going to be counting by 5s. So we are going to use the text and do 0, text, 5, text, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And we might need more. So let's see. We're going to drag all of these down. 1, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, and 0. And we're going to put them in their spots. We can always write on it too. It's always another choice to write. But I'm going to just drag the numbers down. So 0, go in the corner. 5, will go on this line. 10 would go above it. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And you can always do 40 up at the top also. I can click on my pencil and show you that you can also write them in. I can do 40, the last one. Perfect. So then blue, red, green, and yellow. Blue is 25, red is 35. So blue, go up to 25. It doesn't have to be perfect. Red is 35. And then green and yellow. Green is 5, yellow is 15. Green is 5, yellow is 15. I'm going to try to just erase the tops of those a little bit. They're kind of going past the line, and I don't want them to go past the line. These two. I want them to be on the line. I can. Okay. Now we have to figure out what Beth has more or less of. So Beth has more green and yellow. Green and yellow we're going to add to see green and yellow. So 5 plus 15 is 20. Is 20 more than blue? Blue is 25. So no. Green and yellow, 20, is not more than blue, 25. Beth has more red marbles than blue and green ones. Blue and green are 25 and 5, that's 30. Does Beth have more red than 30? Red is 35, so yes, there's more red than blue and green. Does Beth have fewer yellow than blue and green? So fewer yellow. Is yellow smaller? Yellow is 15. And we're comparing that to blue and green. So is 15 smaller than blue and green? Blue is 25. Green is 5. That makes 30. So yellow is fewer than blue or green. Does Beth have fewer red than green and yellow? So is red less than green and yellow? Red is 35. Is that less than green and yellow? Green and yellow is 15 and 5, that's 20. Is 35 less than 20? No. Next page. The school had a fundraiser in the first part of the school year. In which month did the school make the most money? So that would be the tallest bar, and the tallest bar is November, so we fill in November. And then look at the bar graph above. Suppose $45 was raised in January. Where would the bar end? So if 45 was raised in January, 45 is between 40 and 50. So the bar would end between 40 and 50. In January, the bar would end between 40 and 50. And then, did the school earn more money in September and October than November? Explain. So in September and October, did it earn more than November? September is 35 because it's between 30 and 40. And October is 25 because it's between 20 and 30. So we have to combine these to see if it's more than November. So 35 plus 25. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Down the 0. Carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. That's 60. Is 60 more than 50? Yes. So they earned more. So I'm going to do text. And I'm going to say the school earned more in September and October than November. And then it asked you to explain, because September is 35 and October is 25. 35 plus 25 equals 60, and 60 is more than November, which is 50. And I'm going to just bring my answer down where it belongs. And then the frequency table below shows the time Kelly jumped rope during the week. We need to use this data from the pictograph, and we're going to pick a key first. So we're going to do multiples of 2. Can anything be multiplied by 2 to get to 15? No. So we're going to cross that one out. Can anything be multiplied by 5 to get to 15? Yes, 5, 10, 15. So are all of these multiples of 5? Let's see. 5 times what is 20? 5 times 4. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5. And 5 times 4 is 20. Perfect. Can these numbers all be multiplied by 10s? So 10 times something gives me 15? No, can't use 10. What about multiples of 15? Well, 15 times 1 is 15, so that works. Now let's move to 20. 15 times anything 20? No, because if I count by 15s, I'm going from 15 to 30. I wouldn't say 20, so that doesn't work. So I'm going to circle this one as my key, and then I am going to fill in my jump rope. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, what times 5 is 15? 3. I'm going to draw 3. 1, 2, 3. Tuesday, well, 4 times 5 is 20, so I'm going to draw 4. Wednesday is 10, so 2 times 5 is 10. I'm going to draw 2. Thursday is 5, so 1 times 5 is 5. I'm going to draw 1. And then Friday is also 20 here, so I'm also going to draw 4 there. And then my last page.